Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela ukan rat kisang ma. Habakren hakilat pathai kubor, ulapan pau ha kabayadai ba kajingdu jakapuli ki kena kelas 11. Ulaong badai nakadaw kajingwan ka klam COVID kat kendai, buon na ki kena kemsyem yokshu banlet puli syabar jong Kajela. Bat kumta kalajur kajing dawa, ya ki jakapuli ki badan harilum jantia.
Because of the COVID pandemic, a lot of students could not go outside. So there was a more than usual demand for the admissions in the local colleges. So there was a reason, one of the main reasons why there was a spike in the demand for number of seats in here, which may come down in the coming years. That's number one. Number two, initially there were close to 500, 600 students who did not get the admission. And because of the intervention of the local MLA, Violet Mikishila, and our Deputy Commissioner and the Education Department, they were able to adjust for about 300 to 50 to 400 students were then adjusted, and efforts were made to bring down the number from 600 down to today 150 or 180 of them. So that's number 2 point. Number 3 point is that out of these 180 students who are left, we are encouraging them that there are some other colleges within the district, in other parts of the district, not just in Jowai, but Shampung area also, Amlarem area also. The other areas also have got places, so they can always seek admission there also. And at the same time, certain students, who are eligible to get admission, we will still keep trying from our side, from the Education Department, to try and find out a way to move forward. But this has been an unusually difficult year in terms for the students because of the spike in terms of the COVID, which led to the students not being able to go out and seek admission. So we were trying our best. As I said, efforts have been made, and with that efforts, as I said, 350 plus students have got the admission, and now still 180 are left. So we will see how many we can adjust in the rural areas within the district and in colleges which are there in the district, and further let's see how we can take it forward. So we'll try our best to find a resolution to the issue.
Thank you, sir.